Welcome to livetutelage.com, best e-learning portal for IIT JEE, NEET and Foundation.
Hello students, in this video I will discuss how to calculate boiling point elevation. Boiling point elevation is a change in temperature when a non-volatile solute is added to a solvent. A non-volatile solute is a solute which has very less tendency to dissociate into ions or evaporate, and when this non-volatile solute is added to a solvent, the boiling point of the solvent increases. That's why in this process, the boiling point of the solution is always greater than the boiling point of the solvent. Here we can write the boiling point of solution is greater than the boiling point of solvent. This is the formula given here to calculate boiling point elevation. Delta Tb is equal to I into Kb into m, where delta Tb is boiling point elevation. I is Wan's-Off factor. It represents the number of dissociated ions of solute in a solution. And for non-volatile solute, since it does not dissociate into ions, I value is taken as 1. Kb is boiling point elevation constant and m is molality. This is the another form of this formula. This is the short form, and so you can use any of this formula, you will get the same values. And so I have given the labeling here. Delta Tb is boiling point elevation, I is Wan's-Off factor, Kb is molar boiling point elevation constant, and W, small w, is the mass of solute, and capital M is the molar mass of non-volatile solute of this solute, and capital W is the mass of solvent, and it is in grams, and solute is also used in gram. This is a problem given here, and in this problem I will show you how you can calculate boiling point elevation by using any of these formulas. The problem says that they calculate the elevation in boiling point. It means that we have to calculate delta Tb value. Delta Tb value. When 13.5 gram of urea, this is a solute, and this solute is dissolved in 260 gram of water. This is solvent. Here you can see that the solute is added to solvent, and this is non-volatile solute, and it says that molar elevation constant of the water, means here we have Kb value is 0.52 K and kg per mole, and the molecular mass of the urea of the solute is also given, that is 60 gram per mole. Here we can apply this formula, boiling point elevation formula, and we can calculate delta Tb value. Before we apply this formula, we need to calculate the molality of the solution. We know that molality of the solution is moles of solute upon the mass of solvent in kg. So that's why we can calculate molality of the solution. Here moles of solute is given here. So first we convert the mass of urea into moles. Here we have 13.5 gram urea, and see here you can see that molecular mass of the urea is given 60 gram per mole. It means that 1 mole has 60 gram urea. 60 gram urea. We can divide these values, and so we will get the moles of urea. Here we have at the top 13.5, and it is divided by 60, and the value which we get, that is 0.225. Here we have 0.22, it is decimal 225, and these are the moles of solute. Next is we find out the mass of solvent in kg, in kilograms. Here you can see that 260 grams, we have 260 gram solvent, and so we convert into kilograms. So 1 kg is equal to 1000 grams. Grams will cancel. You can divide these values, and the value which you will get, that is 0.26, and it is in kg. Now we can plug in these values, and we can calculate molality of the solution. Here we have moles, this is the value 0.225 moles, and upon we have the mass of solvent 0.26, and it is in kg. Now we can divide these values. At the top we have 0.225, and it is divided by 0.26, and the value which we get, that is 0.865. 0.865. This is the molality. We can also write as mole per kg. Now we can apply the formula, boiling point elevation formula, delta Tb. Here we have delta Tb. I write here delta Tb is equal to I. Urea is non-volatile, that's why I value is going to be 1 multiplied by Kv. In the formula we have Kb, and Kb value is already given of the solvent. Here we have molar elevation constant of water is 0.52, and it is Kelvin, and so kg per mole can be written upon molality multiplied by, we have molality we have calculated. This is the value we have, 0.865, and mm will cancel out. Now we can do the calculation. Here you can see that only one unit left, that is Kelvin, means delta TV value we are going to calculate in Kelvin. Here we have 0.52 and so multiplied by 0.865. This is the value we get. We can round off this figure. Here we can write 0.450. Here we have 0.450 and it is in Kelvin. So this is the boiling point elevation. It means that the boiling point of the solvent increases by 0.450 Kelvin when urea is added to water. This is non-volatile solute is added to solvent, then this is the increase in boiling point of the solvent. You can see that how I calculated the boiling point solution, boiling point elevation by using the formula. You can use this formula also, you will get the same value. Delta TV is equal to I into Kb. W is the mass of solute, means you can plug in the mass of urea, and say M, that is the mass of that is molar mass of urea, and so W, capital W, is the mass of solvent. You can plug in these values and you can do the calculation. You will get the same value, that is 0.450 and Kelvin. Thank you.
If you like this video, please click the like button. If you have any questions or suggestions, please comment below. For more updates on IIT JEE or NEET exams, please subscribe to our channel to get a lot of updates. Support us by following us on Facebook and Twitter. To sharpen your skills, please try out our test series on livetutelage.com. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day.